going furniture shopping today. It's quite far from where we are, तो इसीलिए इतना लंबा रास्ता हमें पड़ रहा है. We're looking to go furniture shopping in London. I think a very good place to shop is Staples Park Retail Centre. I found this place online. This is my first time coming here. हम लोग को जाना था Dundalm. Okay, so the correct way of saying is Dunelm. So please bear with me. Dundalm is a nice store. I found some really cute things there. So we're like, before buying things online, I want to see the quality because we are going to be buying for the first time. So we're here at Staples Park in Brent Cross West. Dunelm had really cute things like bed sheets, bedding, furniture, and like anything you would ever dream of like furnishing a house. But we weren't looking for like a lot of stuff because our stuff is obviously shipping from Pakistan. So we were looking for a particular dining table which we found online. मगर sadly store के अंदर dining tables display पे नहीं थी. So we decided to check out the other stores. Guys, that is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. And we've got सारे like animal themed lamps. No Ali, no touchy baby, टूट जाता है. आज हमने डाइनिंग टेबल देखी थी online, which we saw at Dunelm, but it wasn't there in store. So now we're going into another store. This is sofa. Okay, yeah. So let's do the furniture store. Furniture Village नाम है basically जो हम जिस store पे जा रहे हैं. And hopefully they will have some dining tables. Guys, I already love the furniture in here. Look at that. Oh, look at that white one. Okay, now we have to go up. Guys, in love with this dining table, but it's a little expensive, I think. But my god, the size is perfect.
Headboard अलग है.
Oh wow. I feel like जो हम लोग ने बेड ऑर्डर किया है वो थोड़ा सा उस कलर का होगा actually. We've already ordered a bed.
ये जो है.
Now we are in Curry's, वो भी बिल्कुल बराबर में है, and we are looking for a vacuum cleaner because we will need one, and roti maker. We might need one in the near future. Oh look, guys, ये जो machines है ना, इसमें मैंने देखा बहुत से लोग आटा गूंथते हैं और बस आप इसमें सारी से डालें और ये खुद ही लाइक उसको नीट कर देगा. That is something to consider for the future. We were looking for a handheld cordless vacuum cleaner, but there is just so much choice and I am overwhelmed. Cannot decide. So if you guys have any recommendations, leave them down in the comments below and I will definitely consider them. This was like a very overwhelming shopping experience. Guys, we're lying down on a mattress and it's supposed to tell us which mattress is supposed to be best for our body.
Sleep Match. Today, we're going to find your perfect mattress in just 3 minutes.
We're out
We know your bed is more than a place to rest your head. It's the place you look forward to, a place you love, and it should love you back. And that's it. You've been successfully matched with your mattress.
Alright, we've been matched.
Things are about.
Guys, I think I found my favorite mattress. Memory foam. I think हमारा जो घर पे था पाकिस्तान में वो memory foam ही था पूरा. There was no spring in it.
ये भी check कर सकते हैं. ये firm है. ये medium है.
That was medium firm. This is firm. I feel like ये थोड़ा hard होगा. Yeah, this one's hard. Yeah, I don't like this one. No. This is nice if you want to sleep on your back. Magar if you want to sleep on the side, it's not that soft.
Yeah. Basically.
Okay, I think this is number 1 for me now. You know me? Huh? Oh, really? So soft. This is really soft. This is the medium.
Garden.
Yeah. Where's the dining table? Guys, we're in Home Sense. अब हम डाइनिंग टेबल के लिए डाइनिंग चेयर्स देखना चाह रहे हैं, बेड के देखना चाह रहे हैं कि कौन सी कंफर्टेबल है. बेड्स हमने देखे, वी लाइक अ फ्यू. कुछ की डिलीवरी बहुत लेट है, कुछ की है टाइम पे, बट वी नीड टू थिंक अबाउट बिकॉज सैडली जो बेड हमने ऑर्डर किया ना वो छोटे साइज़ का है. वी नीड टू ऑर्डर अ बिगर साइज बेड, सो वी नीड टू सॉर्ट दैट आउट. तो लेट्स सी इफ वी आर एबल टू सॉर्ट दैट आउट.
वो ट्रेन का हम चढ़े नहीं ना उस ट्रेन.
गाइस हमारी ट्रेन डिले हो गई है.
This is due to a person being hit by a train earlier today.
What? Person?
Someone's been hit by a train, that's why there's a delay.
क्या नहीं उसमें क्या person बोला?
So that was the vlog. We didn't buy anything that day क्योंकि obviously हमारा carry करने का मसला था. We don't have a car yet. और ट्रेन में चीज़ें लेके जाना is not ideal, especially furniture pieces. So we did order a few things online. We ordered that dining table from Dunelm. एंड हमने मैट्रेस भी ऑर्डर कर दिया है. सो एज थिंग्स स्टार्ट अराइविंग मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी कि हमने कौन कौन सी चीज़ें ली हैं. तो मैंने एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ की, इट्स वेरी इजी टू ओवर स्पेंड क्योंकि ना यहाँ पे लोग जिस तरह से चीज़ें बेचते हैं ना, इट्स अ ट्रैप. लाइक द मार्केटिंग इज़ 10/10 बिकॉज वो जिस तरह से वो वर्ड इस्तेमाल करेंगे, लग्जरी, कम्फर्ट, जेल, ड्रीम, oozing, like all of these words, they entice you to buy the expensive thing. So you have to be like really careful के like हम पाकिस्तान में थे, we had a really comfortable mattress. It was multi sleep. I think it was the multi cloud, the multi sleeper. Yeah, it was the multi sleeper जो कि हमने अपनी शादी के टाइम पे लिया था, and it was an amazing mattress, like so incredibly soft. memory foam था. तो like यहाँ पे memory foam में इतने options हैं कि you're just like okay, which one shall I get? ये वाला चेक करते हैं, ये वाला चेक करते हैं, and then it ends up being like this overwhelming process of you looking through like tens and thousands of mattresses and being like okay, I give up, I don't know what to get. तो ये एक ना यहाँ पे मसला है. I feel like when there's too much choice, you just keep browsing and you just can't settle on something. तो इतनी ज़्यादा choices भी ना नहीं होनी चाहिए. I personally feel that. Home shopping is obviously a fun experience. I'm not complaining. This is a good problem to have when you have too many choices. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next week's vlog.